and I knew at the back of my mind I would like it, but I did not anticipate that I would love this product so much. So if you wanted to try the Nyx eyebrow gel and you haven't yet, I would say stop. Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Jan and Feb favorites. So in case if you guys want to know what are products I've been loving so much recently, then please continue watching and make sure to stick around because there's one product that I am head over heels in love with. So the very first thing I'm going to be talking about is this CC Cream by Revolve. It is their Sun CC Cream. I have always been a fan of Revolve's sunscreen. So when they launched this CC Cream, I was really intrigued. And I knew at the back of my mind I would like it, but I did not anticipate that I would love this product so much. This CC Cream has quickly replaced all of my sunscreen because it not only works as a sunscreen, but it also works to color correct my face and even out my face beautifully. It comes in 4 different shades and mine is the shade Charm, which is the second shade out of the 4 shades. I am not a fan of the shade selection because they only have like 4 shades, and all the 4 shades that they have mostly caters to light to medium skin tones. So yeah, the shade selection is not good, but Revolve did mention that they're going to be launching this product in more shades, so I'm hoping that they do. It has a really lightweight formulation, sinks into your skin really well, and it dries to this really nice semi-matte finish, and I absolutely love it. You can apply this product with your fingers or with your brush, but I personally like using it with my brush. Obviously on those days when I'm running really late and I do not have any tools on me handy, I like to use my hands, but if given an option I would prefer using my brushes over my fingers. I feel like that way I get a lot more coverage. It also has SPF 50 and PA quadruple plus, which means it will protect my skin from both UVA and UVB rays. All in all, I really love this CC cream. In case if you haven't tried this already, I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out. Revolve again killed it with their sunscreen formulation, and wow. The next product is a concealer by Nyx, and it's their Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I have mine in the shade Vanilla. This concealer was talked and raved about so much all over TikTok and all over the West, and when it finally launched in India, I really wanted to give it a try, but looking at the price tag, I was like, my god, this concealer is for $1,000. I'm not gonna spend that amount of money on a Nyx product because Nyx products are supposed to be affordable, but in India it's not. Sadly, it's not affordable in India. But recently I gave in and I purchased this concealer to see what the hype was all about, and oh my lord, this concealer offers a buildable medium coverage and it feels extremely lightweight on your skin. It lives up to its name when it says that it's a serum concealer. It definitely feels like you are applying a serum underneath your eyes, and that feeling is really nice. It does not cling to any of my dry patches, sits beautifully on my under eyes. It does not crease, it does not feel heavy or cakey. Overall, just really love this concealer, and even though I was late to the party, I'm so glad that I decided to give this one a try. I also love the packaging on this one. It comes with a pump which gives you so much control to dispense the product that you need. I feel like this concealer is definitely going to be something that I will continue using throughout the year. Next product is an eyebrow product, and it's this one by Root Cosmetics. This is their eyebrow gel mascara in the shade Cappuccino. I tried this product recently in one of my videos, and ever since then this is the only product that I've been using on my eyebrows. Of lately I've been really into eyebrow gels, and you know, as I'm getting older, I can't believe I'm saying that. As I'm getting older, I've been trying to simplify my everyday makeup routine. I do not want to spend time first carving out my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil and then setting them in place. So using the tinted gel makes the process really easy, and I absolutely love this product because it not only fills in my eyebrows, but it also holds my eyebrow hairs in place. It stays put throughout the day, it does not move, it does not budge, and most importantly, it keeps my eyebrow hairs in place, which is what I really love. Prior to this eyebrow gel, I was using the Nyx eyebrow gel, which was also really talked about. I like that one, but I love this one a little bit more because I feel like the hold on this eyebrow gel is much more stronger than the Nyx one. So if you wanted to try the Nyx eyebrow gel and you haven't yet, I would say stop and instead buy this one because the hold on this one is way better than the Nyx one. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be talking about this product by Glowish. It is this soft radiance bronzing powder in the shade 02 medium. I have been using this product literally all over my face, and when I say that, I'm not kidding. I use this to give my face a little bit of definition. I use this on my eyes like an eyeshadow. I also like to use this to contour my nose a little bit, and I don't think I can use it any other way. It's such a beautiful bronzing powder. I love how sheer the formulation is because it looks so natural on your face. It gives you that definition without looking too much. It just looks like as if, you know, you've got naturally defined and chiseled face, and who doesn't want that, you know? So I really love this bronzing powder. It was expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but wow, it is good, you guys. It is good. So the next product I have is this mascara by Sugar. It is their Double Date Extreme Volume Mascara Duo. I have never fallen in love with a mascara so much. This mascara does wonders to my non-existent eyelashes. I barely have any eyelashes to begin with, and not only that, my eyelashes are like super straight. So whenever I do end up putting on some makeup or doing any makeup tutorials, I mostly gravitate towards false eyelashes. But this mascara right here is godsend because it not only adds length, but it also adds volume to my eyelashes. And right now, I'm not wearing any false lashes, okay? I'm checking myself in the viewfinder right now, and I can see my lashes, you guys, and that says a lot. The thing that makes this mascara so incredible is that on one side you get your regular mascara, and the other side has this fiber bits which adds a lot of volume and length to your lashes. And the way that you're supposed to use it is you apply your mascara, then the fiber, and then seal the fiber bit with a last coat of mascara, and oh my god, the results that you get in the end is insane. They do not look clumpy or spidery because I absolutely hate that look on my eyelashes. I absolutely have been loving this mascara so much. Plus the mascara does not smudge or does not flake on me. It does not leave me with panda eyes, which is great, and at the end of the day I just have to use a little bit of lukewarm water to get rid of the mascara, and it comes off easily. So this mascara has definitely blown me away by its result and is something that I will definitely repurchase. Next product I'm going to be talking about is something that I spoke about in my last video, and it's this lip tint by La Mer. It is their Only For You adaptive lip tint in the shade Black Cherry. Ever since I bought this lip tint, I have been obsessed with it. I am carrying it with me everywhere. It is one of those really cool and innovative products. It is a pH based lip gloss, which means it will turn into a beautiful shade of pink according to your body's pH level. Just reapply this lip gloss because why not? Oh my god. And the thing that makes this lip gloss even more special is once the gloss wears off, it leaves a beautiful tint behind which stays on your lips for up to 8 hours. Everything about this lip gloss is absolute love, and I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out. Next product is a makeup remover, and it's by Reconstruct. This is their Soothing Cleansing Balm. Look at this packaging, you guys. I'm almost finished with this one. This is something that I've been using so much recently. It just melts my makeup beautifully. It emulsifies nicely. It does not sting my eyes, which is an issue that I face with a lot of cleansing balms and oils, but this one is extremely gentle and it does the work. The only thing that I do not like about this product is the packaging. Since it is a cleansing balm, I would have preferred if it was in a tub or a more friendly packaging where I was able to squeeze out the product nicely. But with this packaging, it becomes a nightmare to squeeze out the product because kabhi kabhar itna jam jata hai cleansing balm, especially during winters. So it was a struggle to squeeze the product out so I can use it. But yeah, that's the only con. Overall, the product is really nice and I would really recommend you guys trying this one out in case if you're looking for affordable cleansing balms in the market. Okay, the last favorite and probably my most favorite product of this entire month is the one and only the Dyson Airwrap. I finally have a Dyson Airwrap, you guys. This is what it looks like, and ever since I got this product, I have been using it non-stop. It's the only product that I've been using to style my hair. In fact, I used it today to style my hair and you guys can see the results. The result speaks for itself. This product has made styling my hair so easy, and I love it. Since last year, this product was on my vision board. I know, quite stupid. Truly blessed, grateful, Thank you universe. Every time I used to see someone using Dyson, I used to always be like, one day I'll own this product for sure, and I know how good this product is gonna be, even though it comes with a hefty price tag, and I was not wrong. In case if you guys want me to do like a separate video reviewing this bad boy, or doing some hairstyles, or showing you guys how I achieved this hair using the Dyson, then do let me know in the comments. I would love to film that video for you guys. And yeah, that's that. Although it's very difficult, if I had to pick one product out of the entire favorites, it's definitely going to be Dyson. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't already, and come follow me on Instagram because I'm active there the most. With that, you guys, I'm going to take a leave, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.